RPA versus BPA, Business Process Automation. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is the use of software bots. They mimic human interactions with digital systems. RPA tools automate repetitive, rule-based tasks that would otherwise require human intervention. Business Process Automation, BPA, is a broader concept. It aims to automate entire workflows and processes across an organization. BPA aims to optimize processes from start to finish. It often requires integrating multiple systems and tools for smooth operations. How RPA and BPA complement each other? RPA and BPA are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they often work best when used together. RPA handles specific repetitive tasks. BPA oversees the entire workflow. It ensures smooth transitions and effective use of resources. Benefits of combining RPA and BPA: enhanced efficiency. RPA speeds up individual tasks, while BPA ensures end-to-end process optimization. Improved accuracy. RPA cuts human error in repetitive tasks. BPA adds checks and balances at the process level. RPA in action. A large bank uses RPA to automate credit card fraud detection. Bots monitor transactions in real time. They flag suspicious activities and reduce the need for manual checks. BPA in action. A global manufacturing company uses BPA to streamline its supply chain management. The system connects with suppliers and logistics providers. It automates order processing, inventory tracking, and delivery scheduling. Hyperautomation, the merging of RPA, BPA, AI, and machine learning. It creates smarter, more flexible automation systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, RPA and BPA are powerful automation tools. They address different aspects of business operations. RPA excels at repetitive, task-specific tasks. BPA focuses on optimizing end-to-end processes.